SHIBIG, the Phoenix of Wisdom, the guardian of business harmony. In the mystical land of Zephyros, where mountains touched the sky and rivers sang ancient songs, there lived a wise and powerful phoenix named SHIBIG. With radiant feathers of deep blue and dark green, SHIBIG was revered as the guardian of knowledge and harmony in the realm of business. Long ago, the world of commerce was chaotic and disordered. Kingdoms and empires struggled with inefficiency, miscommunication, and lost opportunities. The gods, seeing the turmoil, decided to create a being of immense wisdom and power to bring order to the land. From the heart of a sapphire mountain, where the knowledge of the ages was stored, SHIBIG was born, a phoenix whose mind was sharper than any blade and whose wisdom was deeper than the oldest roots of the earth. SHIBIG was entrusted with a sacred mission to help businesses thrive by guiding them toward harmony, efficiency, and innovation. His approach was unique. Unlike other mythical beings who wielded fire and fear, SHIBIG wielded intelligence and foresight. His weapon was not flame, but the powerful and transformative force of AI-driven ERP, a magic that could unify and optimize the operations of any enterprise. With the wind beneath his mighty wings, SHIBIG flew across the kingdoms, from the bustling marketplaces of the East to the grand trade empires of the West. Wherever he went, businesses that were once struggling began to prosper. SHIBIG would listen to the woes of merchants, traders, and rulers, and with a knowing smile, he would unleash his magic. In one kingdom, the warehouses were overflowing with unsold goods. In another, the workers were discontent and productivity was low. But SHIBIG knew exactly what to do. He whispered to the leaders about the power of ERP, a mystical system that could integrate all aspects of their operations, from supply chain management to human resources, from sales to customer service. With the touch of his dark green claws, he would cast a spell, and the businesses would transform overnight. As the legend of SHIBIG grew, more and more kingdoms sought his wisdom. They spoke of the phoenix who could see through the complexity of any business problem and find a solution that not only solved it, but turned it into a strength. They marveled at how SHIBIG's AI-driven solutions could predict market trends, optimize resources, and create a seamless flow of information across vast enterprises. But SHIBIG was not content with just helping businesses survive. He wanted them to evolve, to become more than they ever thought possible. One day, he visited the land ruled by wise men like Sheikh Bahai, a place known for its rich history and strong traditions. Sheikh Bahai, a revered scientist, philosopher, inventor, engineer, and poet, had laid the foundations of knowledge and innovation in his realm. Here, SHIBIG saw potential like never before. With a cry that echoed through the valleys, SHIBIG transformed himself into a symbol, a logo that would represent not just his wisdom, but the spirit of Sheikh Bahai International Business and Industrial Group. The transformation was a sight to behold. The phoenix's body swirled and twisted, and in a burst of light, it became the SHIBIG logo. The logo was more than just a mark, it was a promise. Each letter of SHIBIG held a meaning for Sheikh Bahai, honoring the legacy of the land ruled by the great scientist and philosopher. I for international, symbolizing the global reach and impact. B for business, the core of all endeavors. I for industrial, representing the strength of innovation and production. G for group, a united force of progress. With the logo, SHIBIG left a lasting legacy. He had created a foundation that would guide Sheikh Bahai's enterprises into the future, armed with the power of AI and the wisdom of centuries. And so, the story of SHIBIG, the wise phoenix, became a legend told across the lands. It was said that as long as the SHIBIG logo shone brightly, the spirit of SHIBIG would continue to guide businesses toward greatness, ensuring that they not only survive but thrive in the ever-changing world of Industry 4.0.